Look no further than the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy owning a vehicle that's your true blue ally in the face of life's ever-increasing demands. The Grand Caravan's smart, versatile design has you covered in safety and comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, rear AC. Don't miss out on the chance to have the family vehicle that maximizes comfort, safety, and fun. Drive the Grand Caravan.